Ace Todd at Pack Mule Dumpsters. Going back old school, but we're knocking on doors and dropping off flyers, and we're also maybe bribing some people a little bit with, I think we call it merch these days. But anyways, we're gonna knock on some doors and see if we can't get some industrial roofing jobs. We found some success with that here with the 30-yarders that we've been running. A lot of calls are coming in for that, so we thought we'd be a little proactive and go out and reach out to some local roofing companies. Alright, so we just wrapped up a day, basically old school, knocking on doors, talking to people firsthand. We had 4 stops today, and what we did was we targeted larger industrial roofing companies, so we've had a lot of success with that with our 30-yard dumpsters. And then we also targeted the emergency response, the dry it companies, the Serve Pro type companies that get called out for house fires, for mold removal, for basement flooding, things like that. So we've had some good success in that business. So what we did was we ran around, dropped off the flyers, has all of our contact information on it, has all of our sizes and weights and what we can do and how we can do it. This really wasn't very hard for us to print up, and basically just went to, I forget who we used, but we went and had them printed off. They put them in a box and brought them over to us. And so I just pull through these whenever I see a place that might want to use us. The reception on it has really been good. I mean, I think we've done 7 of these now. We're 7 for 7 with people at least listening to us. One person that wanted to use us, but their umbrella was a little bit higher than what we're at right now. We may have to go up to that. We haven't made that decision yet. But the point being is, if you're needing some business, if you're struggling a little bit, get out there and knock on doors. You know, don't be afraid to bribe somebody. We have our trusty Arctic mugs here. They're ceramic line, so you get old guys like me who like their coffee to taste non-metallic. That's why we went with these. Got a nice logo on there so people remember us. But these are relationships that you want to build with these types of companies. We're not afraid to give away something, because the potential for repeat business with them is great. So anyways, that's our tip for the day on marketing and getting out and hustling and getting some business. As always, you know, like and subscribe to our YouTube page, and if you have any comments, leave them below. We've been getting some good comments, some very detailed comments, and we'd like to reply to those. And of course, if you guys have any questions for us at Pack Mule, or if anybody wants to reach out to me, you can text me. Our number's right here. I answer that phone, as you've heard in our videos from before. I answer that phone about 24 hours a day. So especially text. Shoot me a text if you got a business question. I'll answer it for you. Thank you.